just I'm going to take that it is a above numbers is a just 1 2 2, correct. So it is a above a say 122 is there, right? Then I'm going to take it as a 4 is the number, right? So here I'm going to simply, you can see here, just 1, as it is 1 and 4 plus 2 is a 6. Then I'm going to write 2 here. Then once you see here, just a 2 2s are 2, sorry, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. So and 4 ones are 4. But once you see here, see numbers are there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. But here once you see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here just you consider that so 2 4 is there now, you can add it 1 1 6 and 6 8 8. That is the answer, we'll get it. Very easy to calculate, simple. So easy calculations are there, so we can easy to identify the big numbers problems, multiplication we can do easily. So please subscribe my channel. I'll give more information and more tricks. If you have any doubts or any comments, please give me comments, and so next video will recover and will provide a good quality so education to you. Thank you. Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the different type of multiplications. So once you see here, we are going to see that 1,007 is multiplied with a 1,003. How can we multiply within seconds? It is possible or not, we'll see that. So today we are going to discuss about this kind of multiplications, how we'll calculate that easily, right? So just once you observe, see here, so today once you just I'm going to take a big number, so it is a 1,007, right? So this is a somewhat big number. I'm going to calculate this big number within seconds. This is a 1,003. So now see here, just I'm going to say that trick. 1,007 is there, right? Just, and here this is 1,003, just is nothing but 1,003. Once you see here, it is a above of a 3 is there, right? Then same as it is here, the how many are there, just it is going to say that it is a 007. So these kind of numbers are there, it is extra more than the base value. Now once you see, just simply you can write this as it is the above number 1, so as 0 0. Then lastly we see here is a 3 and above is a 3, you can write it. Then you can take the 7 as it is 7, right? So this is a half of the number, and once you see here 7 3 is a 21, right? Then you keep that 0 2 1, that is the answer. So very easy to calculate, very simple and very easy to calculate. So we'll see that remaining some problems also like this basis, just you can easy to understand. Once you see here, I want to take a one more example. It is a 103 is multiplied with a 1015. So it is a somewhat different numbers and big numbers, right? Just within seconds it is possible or not, I will see here. Just do this problems. For example, now I'm going to write 1015, again I'm writing, then 103 I'm writing, right? Then see here, okay, this is a multiplication, right? See how many above this 1000 here means it is a just 15, right? And now above of 100 it is a 3, right? Simply you can write it. Then once you see here, then what I said that so 1 is as it is 1 and here 0, but here only you can take that it is in what is the value. So I said just last number should be add, so 3 plus 1 is a 4, right? And 5 as it is, you can write it. The remaining half of the answer, you see that 15 3 is a 45, right? You just write the 45. Okay, so That is the answer. Within seconds you can do these calculations very easily. So it is another kind of, it's a very easy to calculate. And just more examples also, just I'll write once you observe that. So if you follow this kind of problems, you can do very easily. 1012 is multiplied with a 106. It is a somewhat different problem, right? It is also very easy to do the calculations once you observe that. Just again I'm going to write 1012 and then 106, correct? So see here, what's how many above this? It is a 12. Simply you can write it. How many above 100? It is a 6. Okay, so then 1 0 6 plus 1 7, as it is you can write the 2, and then so 12 6 are 72, right? So then you can write this answer 72. So very easy to calculate, very simple and very easy to calculate. So these different type of problems are there with us. Just once you see that, if you see one more example also, just it is a somewhat more different, but very easy to calculate. And once 10034 is multiplied with a 102. Just you see here this calculation, how many above this? It is a 34, right? Then next, how many of above 100? It is a 2. Simple, you can see that 100 and is a 2 3 4 as it is. So 34 2s are, so 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. That is the answer. That's it. Very easy to calculate, simple, very easy, na? Just again I am going to give a problem to you. Just you see here 1 1, so 2 2 is multiplied with a 104, right? So different type of bases, these are all. Once you see here, just I'm going to do that calculations. Now I'm going to write 1122 is a 104. See here calculations. Yes, now here how can we take this? Just you see here, you can calculate now. So how many that values are there? Just you observe.